There are three things that I want, and I want to just list them, but we can work with any one of them because I'm clear that if I get movement in one, there'll be movement in all of
List the
them.
one that matters most.
Good. Okay, so the one thing that I would choose would be I started a business 2 years ago, and it's been incredibly successful, more so than I ever imagined it could be. But now I'd like to start a second business, and
Because?
it's something where I think I can bring all my creativity to bear. My son and I would be working together on it.
All right, now there's something screwy there, a little bit. So the business that you have is incredibly successful. Is it incredibly satisfying?
No.
So you're looking for something more satisfying.
I can't say that I'm sitting where I am saying I want to find something more satisfying. He and I have this idea for a business that I think would be very satisfying, and we could use a lot of our creativity. I think it would be a business that would benefit a lot of people.
All right, well, let's just see if we can pinpoint where the vibration is around this. So do you feel satisfied or unsatisfied currently? In other words, your set point, the point that you're launching this new business from.
Okay, I think my set point is overwhelmment with kind of a background. I was going to say worry, vulnerability, which came up.
So you feel overwhelmed and you want more to do?
Yeah.
So what's up with that?
That's actually what I know is blocking attracting the people for the new business, and what we need for the new business is I already feel overwhelmed, and although I love the idea of the new business, it's like my things to do list is already
So
full
does
on.
it feel like something you want or something your son wants? In other words, who wants this most?
Most.
Whose idea was it?
It was my idea.
And does it feel like the idea was born out of a vision that thrilled you or out of a necessity that...
A vision that thrilled me. I went away for a weekend. It was the most magnificent weekend by myself, and on the way home, I had a vision of this business.
Very good. And then as you discussed it with your son, his response was...
Wow, this would be great. I can help you with it. He's talked to some of his peers about it. They think it would be just a wonderful...
Now, in the way that you will have to find time in your busy schedule in order to be a part of this, what will happen to him and his busy schedule?
Right now, he's finishing his doctorate, and as soon as that's finished, in another couple months, it will fit into his schedule much better than it will right now. Right now, it will not fit into his schedule.
So it's something that is time-wise a better fit for him really than it is for you.
It will be in another month or two when it's
So
done.
what's the rush? In other words, why overwhelm yourself with it now when in a couple of months he can carry the bulk of it and it's a perfect fit for him? Mm-hmm. Will it produce income right away?
No, it will be income draining, right? It will be an investment involved with us.
So how much time will be involved? Your time, his time?
At the beginning, it'll be primarily my time because the design and everything will be mine.
Well, so can you feel what's going on? So here's this wonderful idea. And when I think about the idea at face value, or when I think about the whole idea of the idea, I feel very good about it. But when I think about the actual involvement of it, I feel overwhelmed with it. It will not be producing any dollars. It will be dollar draining. In other words, it's like saying, I want to do this, but it'll be hard in this way, and I want to do it, but it will be hard in this way. It's not exactly a hell yes right now.
Oh, right.
When you consider everything. But in what way can you make it feel like it is a yes, I want to do it? In other words, when you speak generally about things, you are usually offering much less resistance than when you speak specifically. When you think of what you want and why you want it, there's usually far less resistance than when you speak of how it will come about, who will bring it, when it will come, where it will come. From everything that we're feeling from you, it feels too soon. It feels like it is an idea worth pursuing, but it feels like it's an idea that you should fuel yourself with by dreaming rather than drain yourself by doing. It's much more than a financial drain right now. It's an emotional drain because you're asking yourself to do something that you just flat out don't have time to do. It's like someone asking something of you that you have not been considering, and then going along with it because it serves some other purpose, but it's not coming from your own desire. That is draining rather than life-giving. You've got to get vibrationally in alignment with your own desire, and then thinking about it and speaking about it and acting toward it isn't draining, but fueling. You're wanting to take an emotional journey first. You've got to go from it feeling draining and overwhelming to it feeling fantastically exciting before you take your first action.
Okay.